Hi students, in this video we have to discuss about the set operations in ODBMS. So let us see what is meant by set operation. Set operations. SQL support few set operations which can be performed on the table data. These are used to get meaningful results from data stored in the table under different special conditions. So we will cover 4 different types of set operations along with the example for in this video. So what are the types of set of operations? So union, union all, intersect, minus, these are all the 4 types of set operations we have to use in SQL language. So first we have to discuss about the union operation. Union is used to combine the result of 2 or more select statements. However, it will eliminate duplicate rows from its result set in case of union. Number of columns and data type must be same in both the tables on which union operation is being applied. So like in union operation, we have to combine 2 tables. In these 2 tables, any one of the tuple is common means the condition is discard that particular tuple, the remaining tuple will be displayed on the resultant table. So this is the operation under in union table. Union op. So let us see that example. So the first table, the 2 attributes are used, ID and name. So the ID is having 1 and 2, name is Abhi and Adam. So in this table they are using 2 tuples. In second table also using same attributes, the values are 2 tuples. So we have to using for the first set operations union. So in set operations almost we have to using for select queries. Select asterisk from first, union select asterisk from second. So the asterisk it represents the all the attributes in the table. So in this table almost there are only 2 attributes, that is ID and then name. So the first set operation union for describe these 2 tuples. So the resultant table it's displayed only 3 values. Which one is the common means the ID 2 and then Adam. So it will be discard 1 value and then write it in only 1 value in the resultant table. So totally we have to consider 3 values in the resultant table. So that is for union operation. The next one, union all operation. Union all means it's nothing, just it's combine all the tuples in the tables. So now we have to combine with 2 tables or 3 tables means the result will be shown on all the values in the tables. So that means all the tuples are combined in one common table, that is called a union all result. So likewise the same examples. So in union queries using the same type of tables we are to using in union all also. So the first table ID name, second table also ID name. There are 2 attributes are same. The values are also same. Select asterisk from union all, select asterisk from second. So the first and second table values are combined in one common table. That table it's called resultant table. So it shows union all, it's mainly shows the duplicate values also. The duplicate values is nothing, it's an repeated values of the table. So like the union ID 2 and then name Adam is a repeated value for first table as well as the second table. So these 2 replicated value, these 2 duplicated values are shown in the resultant table. The next one is intersect functions in set operations. Intersect is combined 2 select statements and returns which are common from both select statement. So it's written only for which one is the common for both, that only show on the resultant table. So likewise the first and second table, which one is the common means the ID number 2 and the name is Adam only, it's in a common for both the tables. So the remainings are only is in a single value. The Adam only replicated, that means it's in a duplicated values. So it is the common for both the tables. So the select asterisk from first intersect, select asterisk from second means it intersect only which one is the common attribute. It's not attributes, which one is the common tuples available in the table that will be displayed on the resultant table. So this is the resultant value for ID2 name Adam is the answer for intersect operation. The next one is minus. Minus its combined results of two select statements and return only those in the final result which belongs to the first set of the result. So in minus operation, first it will be describe the two tables, what are the tuples and then what are the attributes are there. So like A minus B means which one is the common, that will be discard, that means the replicated value will be discard, and then remaining things that will be available on that first set. What is the first set? A minus B means the first set is A. So replicated, apart from that replicated value, the remaining things will be displayed on the resultant value. So this is an operation for minus. So like in this example, the first table attribute is ID and name 1 and 2 Abhi Adam. Second table ID 2 and 3 name Adam sister. So like in these two tables, the repeated value is ID 2 and then Adam. So that is discarded. So apart from that, what are the values are present in that first table means that is only one value, that is ID 1 and then name Abhi. So that will be shown on the resultant table. So this is for minus operations. So like union, all, minus, intersect. So these are all the set operations only using for select commands. So based on the select commands only, we have to combine these two tables and then finally write the result in the resultant table. So almost the set operations are over in this video. Thank you, ma'am.